Mates in 2 moves. Checkmate puzzles are fun to solve and helpful in games. Let's set up our board first. This particular video will help you become more opportunistic and better at spotting tactics quickly, which is crucial in fast-paced chess games. This checkmate puzzle have been purposely designed to be as difficult as possible and require extreme creativity and understanding of tactical themes to solve. Give yourself ample time, up to 15 minutes, as these are all very hard. For this video, you'll have only 15 seconds to solve this puzzle. If you need more time, pause the video before the timer runs out. If you get a solution right, give yourself 1 point. If you don't get it right, you don't get any points for that puzzle. Finally, puzzle is ready for play. White can win in just 2 moves. If you play a forced checkmate correctly, your opponent can't avoid losing, even with the best defense. Can you find the right ones? Time starts now. Share your progress with us at the end of the video. Feel free to use the comment section. If you appreciate our work, please consider giving us a super thanks. Your support greatly aids our channel in delivering high-quality content. Let's check out the solution. First, move your queen to e8 to put your opponent in check. Now, black has 2 options to capture your queen and escape from check. Let's look at the first option. Suppose black captures your queen with their rook by placing it on e8. In this scenario, place your knight on f7 for checkmate. Now it's time to see option 2. What happens if black captures your queen with their knight instead of their rook? In both scenarios, the solution remains the same. Place your knight on f7 for checkmate. Don't forget to hit that like button and smash subscribe. Thanks for watching.